Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a little bit different from what I normally do, but I actually want to take you guys through a journey. I am going to get my jaws closed for the purposes of weight loss. I did do 28 days of skipping rope and I had amazing results, as well as intermittent fasting, and I was quite happy at the way my clothes were fitting. And now this is just the next phase to also help me to reach my goals. I still continue doing my normal routines, which is exercise as well as swimming, but I just wanted to try this out, so I'm going to go on a 28 day, I think 30 days, and I'll take you guys through the journey. Hope you enjoy the video. Please comment, like and subscribe for more content like this. Hello guys, so this is me after the procedure. Looks like this. Looks cute though, doesn't it? It does, not too bad. So hope everything goes well. Wish me luck. Excitement after 5 kilograms. 5 Excitement after losing 5 kilograms. It feels good. Trust me.
Let me see it.
There's my teeth.
But they look again.
Yes.